Hello, Lori Nestore here, President and CEO of Eva's Aesthetics. And this is part one of a two-part series all about our creams. And I'd like to go into a little bit of information about creams and what their job is in the world of skincare. And as a general rule of thumb, creams and moisturizers are all kind of called the same thing, and we at Eva's Aesthetics with our Tu'eL skincare line have a different concept of what a cream is used for. Our theory on life is that a cream is applied to seal in moisture already present. The only way moisture can actually be there is if you live in a humid area, and that's what happens where you live, or that you apply a product like Hydrate that has sodium hyaluronate. So we have here 4 creams. Part 1 is going to be information about the creams. Part 2 is going to be how to massage using just the correct cream for the skin type, combined with Hydrate and adding water. It's a very, very cool way to massage. It's really good for the skin, and it is much more effective than using some kind of generic massage product. So a little bit about creams in the first place is that creams, or I'll say all products, all leave-on products, are going to be structured in what they can do by the formula or the base that they're in. So if we start at the beginning with water, and you say water, serum, gel, lotion, cream, the more active ingredients are always going to be suspended in the water, serums, and gels, simply based on the fact that the base of the product does not interfere with the active ingredient getting to the skin. The heavier or thicker a cream is, the more occlusive it is. In other words, the more it will actually seal in what you're trying to seal in. And even though there are a lot of products out there that have all these beautiful ingredients in a cream, the thicker the cream is, the less capability of touching your skin are active ingredients. So if that makes sense at all, I'm going to give you a real extreme on, we'll take glycolic as an active ingredient. If you have water to Crisco or water to lard, if you take lard and you put 100% glycolic acid with a pH of 1 and you mix it in lard, it wouldn't hurt your skin, it wouldn't peel your skin, it wouldn't touch your skin because of the lard. So a cream's occlusivity is based on the oil to water mixture, and then how much air is in the formula as well, because you can take a fairly dense cream and whip it, put a lot of air in it, and it simply just thins out the density of the cream, so to speak. So we have 4 here, and if you can see 2 ounce and 4 ounce, the 2 ounces are retail size and 4 ounces are professional size. We have them broken up in 2 primary categories: skin type and skin condition. So I'm going to show you these 2 right now: vitamin cream and chamomile cream. The vitamin cream and chamomile cream, if you notice, the vitamin cream had a yellow label, and that is specifically for dry skin, small pores, not product reactive. The chamomile cream, on the other hand, is for dry reactive, and we call reactive to products. Not turns red easily, but actually has a chemical reaction to products and ingredients. So dry reactive skin, small pores, reacts to products. Those are kind of what we call the primary skin types in our creams. Our other 2 creams we have Lipogen and Regeneration Cream. Lipogen, you notice it has a platinum or a silver color, and Regeneration Cream is gold. Gold is for mature, because the more mature or older we get, the more we deserve the gold. Anyway, Lipogen is a very lightweight lotion, and again, the difference between lotion and cream. A lotion simply has more of a balance of oil to water mixture, and the more you move into a cream, the more oil versus water that you're going to have. So in a nutshell, we have vitamin cream for dry skin, not product reactive; chamomile cream for dry skin, product reactive; and then our Lipogen lotion, which is going to be for combination or oily or acne. Combination or oily or acne. Now, if we take combination skin that lives in Arizona, it might need just a little bit more density of cream than the Lipogen will offer. So when you're looking at skin type and skin conditions. Generally, as a rule of thumb, you clean for the skin type, you treat for the condition. But when you live in a climate that overrides almost everything, then you have to take that into an account. And really what I mean by climate, I like the two extremes, Alaska and Arizona. They're both very dry, hot, cold, and they do affect our skin. Hawaii affects our skin. It's very humid and hot, so it will affect our skin. So that's Lipogen. Regeneration Cream is our heaviest cream that we have. And again, it is for mature skin. The interesting thing about what we call mature skin is just simply skin that is losing its collagen and elastin. It's not a chronological thing. It is simply skin that is starting to break down. And when you look at what holds skin up and what holds moisture in our skin, it is those two primary things, collagen and elastin. A 25-year-old that's been tanning for a couple of years and tanning aggressively, we could move into mature skin because they are in effect breaking down their skin much faster than simply the years would do. They're fast tracking their aging process, as it will. So they might think they look good in tan, but they're actually really moving into aging their skin at a much faster rate. So if you're thinking about Regeneration Cream, and it is our heaviest cream, in theory, on paper, it's most appropriate for dry skin. But when you have somebody that is 60 and they have oily skin, their skin is no longer producing the sebaceous oil that it did as a 20, 30, or 40-year-old. So clean for the skin type, treat for the condition. The condition is of mature is dry, combo, or oily that's simply got older. So you're still going to clean for oily skin, but now it becomes appropriate to add in the Regen Cream. So that is a brief overview of our creams, and what I'm going to do now is get all set up, come back for stage 2, teaching you how to massage with just the appropriate cream mixed with hydrate and adding water a little bit at a time. I will tell you again, it is a really, really cool way to do massage. It's amazing for the skin, and it is much more effective than any kind of generic massage oil that you can be using. So I invite you to check out our creams, learn how we identify skin type versus condition so you can become a more skilled professional technician. All right.